Hey guys, okay, so here we are. Battery's now in place. I tried jump starting it with this little Beat It jump starter tool, and this thing, so what I had to do is I jump started the car with this device, with this already in place, because it was dead before I started. So now I let it run for a few seconds with the ultra capacitor bank in there, and this is 6 500 farad ultra capacitors at 2.7 volts each or so. It equals about 16.5 or so volts, and an actual total effective 83 farads, even though there's 500 in each cap. I think that means you divide it or something like that, is what I've been reading online. So let's test the voltage after the jump start. And what do we get? 13.75. That should be enough to get this going. So let's do this. Go and get it started. There we go. Try this one more time. Okay. Here we go. So it started. It had a hard time starting it, but there we go. It worked. We'll see if this continues to work over and over again.